We talked about the upcoming Xbox, most recently identifying the cheaper model, the budget model. A lot of talk, of course, of next generation gaming. A bit more of it on PlayStation for us. We now have a date set, apparently, for Xbox Series S. August reveal. The cheaper Xbox is coming. So further confirmation, further speculation for those that were curious about how Xbox was going to align itself, market itself, compete with the PlayStation product. We're not going to have to wait that much longer to get more details from Microsoft about what that play looks like specifically, whether or not we get a price at that point. We're probably going to find out more about the hardware. We've been tracking this mysterious console, codenamed Lockhart, for several weeks now, but Microsoft hasn't moved an inch towards confirming its existence. That changes in August when the console will be fully revealed. This is according to a Eurogamer report. Do you believe Eurogamer, Will?
Yeah, they're pretty serious.
Are they?
Yeah.
You've read their site before?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I guess they got some intel, some inside information. They are also calling it Series S, which, how do you feel about that? You have Series X, Series S. Are you okay? Do you like the word series?
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't mind it.
Okay.
Kind of rolls off the
Makes
tongue.
it feel special,
Yes.
belonging to a series.
Yes.
Interesting. All Microsoft has said publicly on its Xbox 2020 plans for this month was a vague comment from an Xbox marketing exec, Aaron Greenberg, that the June news will be done differently than an inside Xbox show. So they got something planned, some kind of presentation, some kind of online thing. That's kind of all you can do right now.
Mm-hmm.
Current climate of the world. It's what Sony did. It seemed to go over well. I don't know.
Yeah.
So anyways, this could turn out to be the Xbox. It could. I know the spec is going to be lower, but in the short term, it's going to probably be the value for money play.
Mm-hmm.
And since you and I yesterday speculated on the pricing, you and I went out on a limb. We put our necks out there, and I saw people were criticized. You said you were too high.
Yeah, they called me out.
They said your $599 is crazy.
Right. Yeah, they were probably right.
But it's only fair that since we did that yesterday, today we got to do the same with the upcoming Xbox consoles. Now, there's a difference here because with PlayStation, it looks like you're getting the same hardware, just minus the optical drive. Here, whether or not you get two versions of the Series X, you may get that too. But we're going to speculate only on the top end Series X, and we're going to speculate on the Series S. We're going to get our prices out there. We're going to put our name and our neck on the line here. And I'm going to go ahead and say, of course, they have to match on the top spec. So that's going to be $499. That's my official guess, ladies and gentlemen, on a Series X.
Oh, you think they're going to match it?
I think they're going to match it.
Okay.
You don't? Okay, we're going to wait. You go in a second. How can you not match? Don't you have to match?
Maybe they present it less.
No,
Like
they're going to
later.
match. Get out of town.
Okay.
$499. And then on this one, since it's a lower spec, it's not just the absence of an optical drive. You got less RAM. You got fewer teraflops. We know how that goes. So it has to be quite a significant dip. So yesterday where I said you would have the digital only PlayStation 5 at $449. No, I said $429. I said $429.
Did you?
You got to be lower than that. So I'm going to go to $379.
$379.
I'm going to go to $379 for the Series S. Now let's hear yours. Put your neck out there, Willie Do. People are going to come back. They're going to hold you to it.
Yeah. Well, I think it's going to go for the spec'd up version, $550.
Okay.
$50 less than PlayStation.
Because your guess was high for the PlayStation as well.
Yeah.
Okay, and what do you do on their Series S, their budget model? Where are you going?
I'm going to go for $399.
Okay, you go staying higher there as well. All right.
Yeah.
Prices are high in 2020. That's what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll find out. We'll see how it goes. People, you can put your guesses in the comments. Talk about how dumb we are and how we're so wrong, but especially Will, more so than
Get canceled.
idiots. How dare they?
I was like, what?
Get the wrong price. We all know. We've all seen the documents.
Mm-hmm.
It's impossible. Willie Doo's suggestion is an impossibility for reason X, Y, and Z. Series S.
Yeah, I'm done for on the internet.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't deserve to be on the internet with that garbage.